Yeah. And I ride for my niggas, dawg. Yeah, I ride for my niggas, dawg. I'm the youngest with the freshest flow, tryna get my money with them 7-0 decimals. That's ballin' shit. Call it quits, I go to work, you callin' sick. Putting up these numbers, got that Kemba Walker scholarship. Dope is what the product is. Call a fiend, tell him I got work and blowing everything that come between. If a body crazy, hit it, D-Rose pass it to the team. If they talking reckless, all them niggas get the guillotine. More money, my team, nah, that's my family. Cause of that I know most these niggas can't stand me. They want the chains, I want trophies, Oscars, and Grammys. I'm what the people want, and I'm what these niggas can't be. They sweet like candy, I ball like Marcus Camby. I'm trailblazing on the track, batons you can hand me. I got a little paper, and it come in handy. I'm trying to get more, but I ain't talking Mandy. So what the deal is, tell them that I'm next up. Go to any city, and I tell them put they best up. Money make a nigga, my verses bringing these checks up. Coming for they throat in my lyrics, leaving they next cut. Who gon' get my next nut? It's okay, so don't complain. Wetter than the ocean, so I guess I got that Novocaine. Like Obama, my niggas running my campaign. Homies do not fuck with you, nigga, you like John McCain. Bet you they gon' pick me first. Derrick Rose up in this bitch, Cameron Newton in this hoe, Ryan Hopkins in this shit, Dirk Nowitzki on the track, Aaron Rodgers with the flow. Tryna get to David Stern, cause that's where all the money go. Leave the honey for the bees, nigga. Tell me how it's gon' be, nigga. I swear you gon' see, nigga. At the top, that's where I'm gon' be, nigga. Leave the honey for the bees, nigga. Tell me how it's gon' be, nigga. One day, I swear you gon' see, nigga. At the top, that's where I'm gon' be, nigga. Back up on my grind, just left Harlem. In the Windy City, boy, I never had a problem. Catch me with a backpack, snap back in dollars. All about my green, my salad, my olives. Groupies are a problem. This loving ain't for me. Stop trying to kill my buzz. Leave the honey for the bees. Now I got them tongue tied. Baby, I am dumb fly. Leave a girl around, wig it down like sun drop. And if you don't feel me, then you ain't listening. And I throw these bait lines and hook them like a fisherman. Got a water flow, I'm spitting at the christening. Not the one you wanna cross, no Switzerland. Baby, I'm the truth like Pierce, no resign. Every time I spit, make them flip, no B-side. Got more money than a fucking beehive. Fuck with my team, then you gotta catch a peace sign. The whole flow come in is retro. I stack dough, get more green than pesto. Just know the blueprint is Kiso. With my pencil, I drew more than Bledsoe. Pause, why you staring at the boy wrong? The flow raw, these niggas softer than boy George. Tell me please, who let these wax record? No stress, I play chess on a platinum board. Yes, checkmate, this is raps galore. NASCAR drive circles on the tracks, of course. Do you even know who the hell you tryna battle with? The flow dirt, you could catch me in a gravel pit. Amen, homie, bless the Lord. I kick a flow with more lines to text support. You know Hugo couldn't get this boss, and a damn T-Rex couldn't get this raw. Leave the honey for the bees, nigga. And I swear you gon' see, nigga. Tell me what it's gon' be, nigga. At the top, that's where I'm gon' be, nigga. Leave the honey for the bees, nigga. Tell me what it's gon' be, nigga. One day, I swear you gon' see, nigga. At the top, that's where I'm gon' be, nigga. And I ride for my niggas, dawg. Yeah, I ride